Hello guys, my name is Adebukola Dada. I'm a makeup artist and I'm gonna be teaching you how to draw an eyebrow. To have a perfect eyebrow, you need to carve your brow first to get a perfect eyebrow. And I'm gonna be using my pencil, my concealer, then my angle brush. I also need a blending brush in order to blend it in. So there we go. What we're going to do just today, just do it yourself things. This is how we do it. First of all, I need to brush in my brow in order to get a perfect a line. This is it. I start from here. Actually, I like drawing my brows from the edge. Some people, they like from the down here, but I'm going to make my own. That is the easiest way for me. You see, I just draw the first line, the down line, and now I'm going to draw the up line. Yeah, this is it. Now I'm going to be filling in my brows with this pencil, this same pencil. You can also use a brow filler, but I'm going to be using my own pencil to fill it. I'll start from the down, the tail. Yeah. Then I'm going to divide my brows with my own concealer and my angle brush. So now I'm going to be using my blending brush. As you can see, the concealer is just too much. So I'm going to use my blending brush to blend it in very well. Yeah, this is my brows. Now that I've drawn my brow, started from this and I have this now. So you can see the difference between this. As I started in the first place, I applied the foundation in the down and up. The up will be so light in the sense you won't see any traces that you added the concealer. You have to blend it so right, so very well. And we have different type of brows. This is my own shape. So you know, if you just draw any brows and come on, don't feel bad. It's we have different shape of faces. So I don't think there's a problem with that.